in its essence, okay? For example, let's look at my field where I'm concentrated as MLOps for R&D. You need only 4 things, okay? You need reproducibility, track everything. You need automation. Once you've done something once or twice, you want to do it again without touching. And you need orchestration, which means, you know, you want to deploy this to a remote machine and have it work exactly like it is on your own machine, maybe even faster, right? And I said 3, and I said in the beginning 4. The 4th is it has to integrate easily with what you're doing, because otherwise nobody will do it, right? If to add pipelines to your code, you need to open it and add decorators everywhere, nobody will do it. Hint, hint. But okay, if you want to add more capabilities on top of that, you want to add data versioning or model registry, all of that. That's, I mean, the moment you have just tracking for everything, it's just, you know, having an interface that's comfortable for you to use for a database. You want to add more things, you want to add productionalization, you want to add feature stores. It starts to become just abstractions that you can put on whatever databases you already had in place in order for it to scale out, so that if you switch behind the scenes into something bigger and better, the developers won't ever know because it's abstracted away, right? So from all the tools, okay, if everything that's, we're building the tools as entities, but eventually you just have APIs, and the APIs will remain and the tools will be gone, and you have just one big thing that you'll be able to query as a different entity. Okay, am I lost to you guys? Have you, okay?
No, yeah. I'm hearing what you're saying.
Yeah.
No.
So if you have like, if we end up with like 17 different components in the stack, okay, eventually somebody will say, hey, you know what? We can take these 5 and make them 1. Now you have a lean stack, and poof, you're left without this thing. And I'm going to see that. I think we're going to see that in monitoring and the whole data ops thing. It's actually somewhere I'm trying to take ClearML towards. I mean, giving concentrating on the basic stuff that will survive forever. And, you know, if you need to reach out for a tool, don't reach out for a tool, reach for an abstraction.